Before we go deep into the woods, I'd like to welcome you, dear souls, to this sacred meditation journey. Within you lies an extraordinary reservoir of strength, a wellspring of self-love waiting to be unearthed. Today, our voyage takes us deep into the recesses of your being to tap into your inner fortitude, unwavering focus, and crystal clear clarity, enabling you to shine as your most authentic self every single day. Take a moment. Take a moment to find a position that resonates with your spirit, whether seated regally in a chair, crisscrossed on the ground, or gently reclining. Should you desire, allow your eyelids to tenderly embrace each other. Into the woods. Inhale deeply through the chambers of your nose, embracing the breath like a cherished lover, holding it in your sanctuary for a brief interlude, then release it, a whisper through both nose and mouth. Feel free to indulge in a few more of these sacred breaths, letting your rhythms harmonize with your inner cadence as you forge an alliance with your breath's gentle dance. Now, as your breath escorts you to a heightened state of awareness, allow it to illuminate the contours of your existence. Feel the vibrant presence of this very moment saturate your essence. Embrace this newfound presence. It is the key to relinquishing any vestiges of tension or stress that may have sought refuge within you. With each exhale, witness tension and stress melt away. A cascade of burdens yielding to the soothing balm of your breath. Picture your muscles obediently relaxed, and the cacophony of your thoughts in your mind settling into a serene stillness. As your comfort deepens and your presence becomes unwavering, paint in your mind's eye a luminous aura, a golden radiance that envelops you in an embrace of love and unwavering strength. With each breath, see this luminosity intensify, an ever-brightening beacon of empowerment and self-assurance. Linger in this radiant glow for a while, here and now, embracing your comfort and awareness. Understand that within you resides in an inexhaustible reservoir of power and of strength, capable of facing down any challenge that crosses your path. With your aura intact and your breath like a gentle breeze, carrying away the remnants of stress, we move on to the next stage, an affirmation. Repeat these words, whether aloud or in a sacred whisper in your inner sanctuary. I am deserving of love. I am the embodiment of contentment. My mind and body are resolute and unyielding. I am complete in my current state. I am a force of nature. Magnificent. As we progress, remember, self-love forms the bedrock of mental fortitude and clarity. Embrace your imperfections. They are not flaws, but stepping stones toward growth. Welcome life's challenges, for their opportunities for transformation. Extend kindness and love to yourself. Let it reverberate within your core, enabling you to radiate these gifts outward to all souls you encounter. Now, let us embark a visualization journey. Picture yourself atop a majestic mountain peak, surveying the world below. In your mind's eye, paint the scenery to your liking. Perhaps a tranquil river winding through a verdant valley, snow-capped peaks as your sentinels, the warm sun casting its benevolent gaze, and a forest of trees swaying gently beneath you. Breathe in the pure mountain air. You stand at the summit, a symbol of your inner might and resilience. Know that you possess the capacity to surmount even the most daunting challenges. Take a moment to soak in this majestic vista. Now, if you wish, envision yourself descending the mountaintop, one step at a time, gently returning to the present moment. Feel the solid ground beneath you, supporting you. As you mentally retrace your steps, keep your focus on your breath, inhaling and exhaling, purging any lingering doubts or tension. As you reorient yourself to the present, remember this: you are a force of nature, capable of conquering any obstacle. Carry this newfound empowerment with you. Let it guide your steps through each day, through each night. Take a moment to thank yourself for your dedication to this meditation, for investing time in nurturing your inner strength and self-love. When you are ready, allow your eyes to flutter open at your own pace. Step forth into the day or night, carrying with you the knowledge that you are a beacon of greatness. Radiate the strength, clarity, and self-love you've unearthed, and let them illuminate every facet of your existence. You are a powerful force, and I thank you profoundly for sharing this sacred journey with me today. Thank you.